consumer math students. So we just finished our unit on understanding how checking accounts work with deposits and withdrawals and online banking. In chapter 5, we're going to talk about savings accounts. In addition to that, in section 5.1, we're going to specifically talk about deposits. Now let's talk about a savings account and why they're important to us. So when we have a checking account, our money flows in and flows out because that's where we typically pay our bills from, or when we go to the ATM machine, we take money out to go out on a date or for spending. When we have money in a savings account, that's where our money sits and earns interest. So that's what a savings account does. We want to put that money away. So this is where you want to put your emergency fund money, your vacation money that you're saving to go on vacation, so that you don't have easy access to withdraw and take money out of. So today we're going to talk about our deposits into those savings accounts. And we can deposit checks, we can deposit currency, coins, and we can deposit them into a savings account, whether it be in a regular bank, whether it be a savings and loan at a credit union or a brokerage firm. So let's look at what our formula for deposits are. So our total deposit would be any currency, that's our paper money. In addition to that, we have our coins and our checks that we deposit. And just like in a checking account, we can also receive cash back when we're depositing. So we have that subtracting of cash received when we're looking at our formula. So let's look at a couple examples. So I'm asking you to find the total deposit for each one of these. So in our first example, it says that we have checks that are $63.21, $37.79, and $15.50. Our cash, so we're going to add those up. So we're looking for our total deposit. I'm just going to put TD there. We're going to add all of this together. $63.21, $37.79, and $15.50. In addition to that, we're going to have 24 $1 bills, so that's $24. We're going to have 11 $10 bills, so that's going to be 11 times 10, or if you want to add right there, $110, plus 20 quarters that we're going to add in, so that's 20 times 0.25, don't forget your decimal there, plus 22 times 10 cents, plus 40 pennies, so 40 pennies is going to be 40 cents. And then at the end of all of that addition, we're going to take out $20. So we want to receive $20 cash back. So if I do quick calculations and calculate all those together, our total deposit, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so, but our total deposit will be $238.10 for our total deposit. So I just add everything together and subtract out our cash received. So let's look at our second concept check. In this, we have two checks. So our total deposit is going to have two checks, one for $152.54, one for $147.46. We have 54 $1 bills. We have 12 $5 bills, so that's going to be a multiplication. You can do that now or you can do it all together. Plus you have 6 $10 bills, so we can do that now or we can do that all together. In addition to that, we have 35 quarters, so that's 35 times 0.25, 18 dimes, 40 nickels. Be careful here, don't forget your zero. Nickels are only 5 cents, and 75 pennies, so that would be 0.75. Less $50 cash received. So a quick calculation using my calculator will find that the total deposit is going to equal $437.30. All right, for our last check, we're going to look at Natalie. Natalie is depositing checks that total $1,735.97 into her savings account. She withdrew $100 while depositing some coins. If her total deposit was $1,668.71, how much did Natalie deposit in coins? So we're going to remember that our total deposit is always equal to our checks plus our currency plus our coins, or I'm just going to call that cash, minus less cash received. All right, so I'm going to put everything in. So it says her total deposit was $1,668.71. Her checks totaled $1,735.97. What we don't know is what the amount of coins that she has. And she took out $100. So I'm going to let my X equal the number of coins that she deposited. All right, so simplifying this math here, I'm going to subtract that, and that's going to give me $1,635.97 plus X is equal to $1,668.71. And then this is a quick one-step equation. So I'm going to subtract my total deposit to see how much of that deposit was coins. And that's going to find that Natalie deposited $32.74 in coins. Okay, so you can see that this deposit lesson is very similar to our checking account lesson. So look for some practice problems and let me know if you have any questions.